Seriously. Okay. So one by one, come on, tell me about personality development. What is it from your point of view?
I'll say, ma'am.
Yeah.
Personality development is nothing but like we need to how we present ourselves in front of the people. So like we need to be our body language, our communication skill, etc. should be in such a polite that um, your opponent won't they can understand you. Not you should you are not going to use any harsh language that they become irritable. So personality development is how we present ourselves in front of the people without shy, without any nervousness. Openly we are talking eye contact, face to face contact. That is nothing but a personality development from my point of view.
Okay, come on.
Very nicely answered,
Come
sir.
on, come
Very
on.
well
One
explained.
pad.
Seriously.
Come on. Prabhat sir.
Yes, ma'am.
One
So,
pad.
according to me, can I say, ma'am?
Yeah, Samba ma'am goes for it. Yes.
So, according to me, in short, we can explain that personality development, it is like we can say, it is a pattern of behavior and attitudes. So, this is a short of personality development where we can express our ideas and all. Yeah.
Come on, pat one, back. Very good. Come on,
Thank you.
Yes,
next.
the answer was quite short and crisp. That was very good.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Come
Can
on,
I say?
join with the device. No issue, no issue. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, yes.
Yeah, ma'am. According to me, personality development is developing um, positive attitude towards like developing new skills and developing oneself.
Amazing, amazing. Pat one, back. Come on. Good, good. Okay, so we have next. Who is the person? Come on, speak. Come on, guys. Don't waste time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, bike lover there. Yeah.
According to me, personality development is the development of an character and behavior, how to interact with all these things.
Okay, come on, one pat. Very good, amazing answer. Quite and simple and good.
Thank you.
Okay, whom we have next? Come on, 18 people में से 4 लोग बोले हैं, बाकी के कहाँ हैं? Come on, then only I'll start, guys. Until unless I'll not start the classes. Come on, just one line I want from you.
Guys, if you think that it is a college class and you are like joining and then you will leave, that is not going to happen. We are going to like poke you again and again to say, because this is the class where you can say whatever you want to say, just say whatever you know.
Read out their names then. They will not speak like this. Read out the names, ma'am. Just read out the names.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am, like according to me, personality development is nothing but building our capacities and also like working on our weakness and transforming them into strengths, ma'am.
Wow, amazing. It's a miracle answer, like something unique. Good.
Yes, it was quite unique.
That one.
Thank
Very
you.
well said, ma'am.
Come on, next. Guys, come on.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
Yeah,
ma'am. Sorry for the camera. Actually, in Odisha, it's heavily raining outside, and luckily I have done that.
no worries.
So I'll ask for you. I'll on my camera tomorrow onwards. If it will be okay, the weather will be okay.
Oh,
So-
darling, it's okay. You can speak now.
So in my view, personality development is a complete package of I mean how to behave, how to how to manage our times, and how to keep ourselves positive instead of our team also. And that's all about myself. What I have learned actually.
Give a pad. Come on.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
According to me, personality development means developing a personality based on SWOT analysis, strengths,
Amazing.
weaknesses, opportunities, and
Amazing.
threats.
Wow.
So,
Amazing.
yeah,
Give a clap, not a pat. Give a clap.
I
Come on,
usually follow that. So, yeah.
give a clap. I want to hear the sound. Come on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So whom we have next? Guys, come on, then I'll start with my.
Ma'am,
May
may
I?
I?
कौन? शीतल मैम. Okay, शीतल मैम. हाँ जी मैम बोलिए.
Personality development is basically gain your own confidence or self-esteem.
Amazing.
Uh,
Right answer, ma'am. Good.
That's think the main the confidence you have to develop in yourself. That then you will perform easily or by confidence everyone in front
Okay,
of
शीतल.
everyone.
Good. Give a pat, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, whom we have next? Come on. I got one more sound which
Ma'am,
शीतल ma'am
may
actually.
I? May I?
Okay. Yeah, Sneha ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. According to me, personality development is developing or improving ourselves from where we are now to where we want to in future.
Amazing. That's called confidence. Amazing, ma'am. Good. Okay.
Quite creative answer.
Yeah, it's quite creative and it's something different and it's very well said from where we are and where we have
Yes,
to reach.
ma'am.
Right. Good catch. Good. Okay, whom we have next? Shyness. Still feeling shy after like 2 days of we have just completed 2 days together watching our faces from last 2 days. Still you are feeling shy, guys. This will not work in personal development class. Sorry for that. You have to come out with your calmness and shyness now. Speak now. People will hear you. We are here to hear you. Come on. Anyone, whatever your thoughts you have, bad thoughts, good thoughts, right thoughts, wrong thoughts, whatever, speak. I just want to hear your voice, nothing else. Come on. Come on. Guys, last time I'm saying come on. Anyone. Then we'll start. Last, I just want to hear last voice and then we'll start with my topics. Come on. Shraddha ma'am, call out their names now.
Can we have Jyotirmay, ma'am?
And where's the topper today? Topper ma'am कहाँ है वो? Topper कहाँ है आज? वो दिखी नहीं मीटिंग में. आई है वो? नहीं आई है मीटिंग में.
Ma'am, I have given the answer, ma'am.
अच्छा, okay. Okay. So, there's a girl whose surname is Yadav. Like, weakness is mother. Where is that girl?
Shikha, ma'am.
Shikha ma'am. Shikha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. I just want to hear your voice. Come on. Okay, Harita Raj ma'am. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Shikha ma'am, come on, speak one line for personal development. What is your point of view?
Ma'am, personality development is. Ma'am, personality development is. Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay, so now let's start with my point of view.
And one thing to clarify to all that in this class there is no use of chat box until unless there is other reason. If you are answering, please unmute and then answer. Don't use chat box for answering.
We are not
going to use chat box's answers. Not at all. Not your college class that you're going to write over there and we'll be reading it. No. Keep the strength, keep the confidence, come forward and say. Unmute and say whatever you want to say. Okay, Satakshi ma'am, now you can start.
Thank you so much, ma'am. See, what is personality? First, let's describe what is personality. And then we'll go for development. Okay? So, personality is basically an identity of an individual. Like the behavior, the attitude, the ego, the interest, the emotions, responses, and social rules. Now, what are these things? I said behavior, I said attitude, I said ego, I said interest, emotion, response, and social rules. What are these? These are all your personality. If I talk about behavior, we have two behaviors in ourselves: a positive behavior and a negative behavior. If we will respond to people in a good way, it is called positive behavior. Spreading happiness is called positive behavior. Keeping a smile on our face is a positive behavior. Dealing with failure situations is called a positive behavior. What are negative behaviors? When we just fell and cry. When we just feel there's no hope in life. when we fail in all the tasks we have to perform in day-to-day life, that is called negative behavior that really affect our personality. Attitude. People always have to carry two attitudes with them, a positive attitude and a negative attitude. We'll never focus on negative attitude, but we'll always focus on positive attitude. Ma'am, please let me know if you want next slide. Okay, ma'am, sure. Not now, ma'am. Like, I'll tell you, ma'am, for sure. Okay, so attitude should always be positive. Whatever situations you are going through in your life, whatever weaknesses you are having in yourself, never show to people. Never show to people. Instead, just improve them in a positive way. The other word of positive is called optimistic. The other word, write in your copies, everyone, write in your copies. The other word of positive is called optimistic. OPTIMISTIC, optimistic. So we should always carry a positive attitude in our body, just to have a good personality. We will never say body, we say body. BODY, body. That pronunciation is not body, it's body. Okay, ego. Keep your ego aside. It will destroy your life. People having egoistic natures always feel low and depressed. Carrying ego always lead you down. Assiding your ego always lead you up. Never take ego in your personality. Never. Never take your ego in your personality. It will always lead you down. You are here. Ego will lead you down. So never carry your egoistic behavior. Like, why will I do if he's not doing? If she's not doing, why would I do this task? No. Instead, I will say, I will do this task, whether she will do or not. That is called a positive ego. And negative ego is, why would I do? Then interest. Interest play a very important role in your personality. A good interest lead you in a good life. A bad interest lead you always destroy your life. Interest of drinking is a bad interest. Interest of smoking is a bad interest. Interest in different illegal things is always a bad interest. A good interest always is like working in a good firm, working in a good company, focusing on our targets, achieving our targets. Food, water, life, these are good interests. And illegal interests are bad interests. So we should always focus on the good interests. Emotional. I heard many people, many girls focusing like, I'm very emotional in life. Why you're emotional? Emotion is not always about crying. Emotion is about happy emotions, grumpy emotions, laughing emotions, enthusiastic emotions, a burst out emotion, feeling happy emotions. So these emotions also, your face emotions depict your personality. If you are sad, you will feel like, if you're happy, you will feel like, if you are very sad, you will feel like tears coming to your eyes. That is your emotions. So from emotions also, I can depict what things you are going through. Like if you're very happy, that means you have done really achieved in your life. If you're really sad, that means someone had broke your heart. Someone is killing you from inside. That is called emotions. So your emotions depict your personality. Responses. How you respond to life. How you respond to people. How you talk to people. How is your communication skills? That comes under responses. A good response, a good impact. A bad response, ruined all the life. Social roles. The people who are surrounding us. The friends whom we talk. The teammates which are there with us are all the social people. And we should always communicate with them in each and every stage of their life. Because social responsibility play a very important role in personality of an individual. Isolating yourself and keeping away from people is not a solution. Is not a solution. You always think, now I'll not talk to that friend because he had broken my heart. He's not talking to me. Why should I talk to that person? No. Your social role should be always high because it carries a badge here. In the shoulders, it carries a badge. So these all points together make up personality of an individual. This is the personality of this is the all points combined together make up personality. When these all points combine together, it makes a personality of an individual. And I can truly say that I am holding a good personality, where my ego is aside, my response is positive, my thoughts are optimistic, my behavior is correct, I'm following the ethics of the company, and or else I'm socially maintaining that responsibility with the people. That will call a good personality. Till here, have you understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any problem till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No.
Okay. So next we have, ma'am, can we have the next slide, please? Ma'am, what is good personality, ma'am? That slide, good personality. Third slide, ma'am. Yeah. Now we start with, yeah, ma'am. That's correct. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now we'll start with what is a good personality. A good personality is a personality where person always carry his behavior in a positive way. You know, posing in public do not make you a good personality behavior. Wearing coat and pant doesn't make a good personality. Wearing short skirts and middies in the public area do not make you a good personality person. Rather, you have to focus on these points. First is intelligency. So what is intelligency from your point of view in a good personality? What is intelligency is? Come on, one by one. What is intelligency from your point of view in a good personality?
Before speaking, we should think and speak.
Amazing. Good. But not proper 100% good, but yes, 20 to 80% it is right.
Thinking
Yeah.
out of the box in critical situations.
Sure, ma'am. Very good. Not total 100%, but yes, ma'am, 70% is correct. Okay, now I'll tell you what is intelligence in personality development is. We all have that mind, but we have to use in a proper way. We all have that mind, right? Everyone is born with a particular small mind. Now, how to use this mind, this is up to us. Whether we have to go in a negative path and then use the mind, or we have to go to the positive part and then use the mind. No, this is us who can rule it. So always keep the mind in the positive path. Like, I can do it. It is not like, instead of saying that it's not a cup of my tea, you can use I can do it. It is possible. Impossible word, dimag se nikal do. Just remove from the mind. So this is called intelligence, when we use our mind in the proper way. Our body has certain resources into it. Mind, ears, eyes, head, hands, legs. Why these are resources? Because they work. When they work, then only our body works. Right? Think of a situation when we don't have a hands. How would we start doing our writing work? Is it possible to do a writing work without hands? Or any task without hands? No. If I want to walk, if there would be no legs, then will I able to walk on the path or like on the streets or on the roads? No. Or even the home? No. If I don't have a mind, then will I able to think what to do next? No. If I don't have eyes, will I able to see things? No. So these are resources. Now it's up to you how you will use the resources in the right way. By how would you use the hands? How would you think? And how would you move in the paths? Like in the wrong path or the right path? It's up to you. Mind has given you the opportunity. Now you have to work. Okay? Understood this point? Intelligency?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
we have, smartness. Very easy, I tell you. There are two employees. One is Ram, one is Sham. Ram is doing work with hard work and taking 20 hours. Sham is doing smart work and taking just 2 hours. So what is more beneficial? Smart work or hard work? Both have given the same task to cut the
Smart
tree.
work.
Smart work, ma'am.
Smart work.
Smart work.
Smart work. So that is come under a good personality. When people think smartly, like for example, I just tell you, these are the sticks. These are the sticks, okay? Now, if there will be a person who want to do hard work, he will just do one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is like 8 o'clock. Raat ho gayi, wo tab bhi gina pada hai. And there will be a person who will like take 4 bundles together. 4, then 8, then 16, then 24. Then what is called? This is called smart work. A good personality also concludes these things. When you work according to your smartness, not with your hard work. Like hard work is important. Why we should do hard work? But Now it's time to do smart work because everything is changing now. Technology is it's in advancement role. We all have to grown up, lacking behind the previous trends, behind the previous customs, all the previous type of in the previous time people use X to cut trees. Now we have the machines to cut the trees. We have tools to cut the trees. That is called smart work. Previously, people used to, they used to read newspapers because they don't have radios and TV at the time. But now we have radios and TVs. So it is a smart work because someone has developed it from his mind, some unique technologies which we are using right now in the present scenario. So that is called smart work, and that comes under smartness. The second point of good personality. You should be hard. You should do hard work. Who said? Hard work is like a boom for us, but still we have to be smart from our point of view. Where people are doing this, we both have given the same task, but it is me who have to complete it first. So for that, I have to smart think. Okay. Next, we have reliability. Okay. So reliability means how you can adjust in an environment. We all are working in a company. If you're not working in a company, we are doing our studies in a class, or like we are all attending the Zoom classes in the morning and in the evening time. Okay. In that time, there might be children who, are more intelligent than us. And there might be children who are more weaker than us. We don't have to compete with them. We have to adapt ourselves in them. A good personality says you should always hold a good, healthy competition, not a selfish competition. Like I have to win. Killing everyone, beating everyone just to win the competition. No, we have to help them also so that they can also win and I can also win. So that I replace I from we. Replace that I word from we. Say we can do it, not I can do it. So reliability is when you adjust with the environment of the people or things you have. Whatever things you have, guys, be happy with that. If I am having a weakness, I will accept it. Yes, that I am having a weakness and I will improve it because I'm reliable to myself, not to others. Okay. So that is the point under reliability. Then we have appearance. Okay. Appearance plays a very important role, guys. For example, if it is if you are following a night routine, you are going to bed. Will you wear short skirts or like coat pant just to sleep? No. You will wear your night suits. So dress yourself according to profession. If I'm there in the meeting, I have to dress myself according to this particular scenario. Your appearance plays a very important role. When you will go outside in the public area wearing short skirts and middies, you will be judged. People will judge you that how she is wearing these things in the public. Is she like out of her mind? So why to give people a chance to speak? I will wear clothes according to the occasion. If there's Diwali, Holi, I will wear suit salwar or coat or sherwani or suit for boys. And if it is their party, like every people are coming of the same dresses, then I will wear the same things. So we have to work with the society. We have to work with the society. Never think like you can wear shorts and skirt, but it depends upon your confidence. If you're comfortable with it, you can go with it. But according to me, you will always wear clothes according to the occasion, time, and situation. So that is your appearance. A good appearance always leaves a mark on others' mind. Always. First impression is the last impression. That comes under appearance. Okay. Then we have responsibility. Very important point. Yeah, ma'am. Tell me.
Ma'am, actually, the meaning of reliability means being trustworthy, right?
Trustworthy. Yes, that's what I said. No, you have to rely upon you. That's what I said.
You told being adjusted according to the surroundings.
That is the real that is the definition of the reliability in real words of personal development. That you have to adjust with the environment and reliable to yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. If I talk about in the management field, then it is called to be reliable on the person or to rely more on the facts. But in personal development definition, they said to rely upon the people and to adjust with the people and to rely on ourselves. In personal development definition, it is said. In management definition, it is said that rely upon the facts. That's called reliability. How much you are relying on the facts. So your point of view is correct in the words of management, not in the words of personal development.
Okay.
Okay, so you can search the definition once more in the Google. If you find something else, then please let me know, because I found this, so I just explain you that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Then we have responsibility. What is responsibility? What is responsibility? Come on, speak up.
Doing the task within the stipulated time.
Okay. Anyone else? Yes. Responsibility.
Ma'am, may I?
Huh? Yeah, ma'am.
Responsibility is something we have to do that work within that work. We have to do that, or we have to answer to the top authority why we haven't done that. So according to me, that may be the responsibility.
Okay. So the real meaning of responsibility in personal development is when you say that I cannot do it to I can do it. When you, excuse me, when you confidently achieve your task. As a responsible people, you always focus on your weaknesses rather than strength. That is the responsibility. When you help others, when you take interest in your passion, when you follow your way, your decisions, when you respect everyone, that is called responsibility. Because you are living in an area where you're surrounded many people. So giving respect is a responsibility. Okay? So that is your responsibility. Like, I have to wish them. If I see any senior, I have to wish them good afternoon, good evening, good night. If I take anything from anyone, I have to say thank you. If I've hurt someone, I have to say sorry. That is your responsibility. And to be a good person, you have to adapt these responsibilities inside you at any cost. And it can only happen if you leave your ego aside. So this is a part of good personality, when you accept your mistakes and confess your mistakes. Okay? Then next point we have, a good physique. Then next point we have good physique. Now what is good physique? Physique is basically health is wealth. Health is wealth. People define physique in 3 parts: nutrition, overnutrition, undernutrition. Okay? So if you really want to have a good personality now, you should always hold yourself in nutrition part. A good physique plays a very important role. Very important role. I'm not saying that if a person is fat or like very thin, so he's not having good personality. He is having good personality. But to have a great appearance, you should always hold a good personality. Eat healthy food. Live a healthy lifestyle. Believe in yourself. Pray to God. Meditate for 15 minutes. Do yoga. Do exercises. That's make a good personality. Okay? And then last point we have trustworthiness. Now you can understand with the point what is trustworthiness, right? Or I have to explain you what is trustworthiness. Tell me. Have you understood the word trustworthiness, or I have to explain you? Come on, guys. Where are you?
Yes, ma'am, understand.
Anyone else? Guys, have you felt any queries related to these topics till now? Shall I move further?
Yes, ma'am.
Or anyone is okay, ma'am?
Yes,
okay. Anyone else have any problems regarding these topics like intelligence, smartness, reliability, appearance, responsibility, good physique, trustworthiness? Note this point, guys. Come on, note in the paper. I will ask them from tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll ask the points from you. Note these points and I'll ask the meaning of these points. Okay? Okay. So, and the rest, are you having any problems? Can you please tell me here so that I can go through these topics again? Come on. If you have felt any problem, tell me, ma'am, I have a problem. I'll go through these topics again.
Reliability.
Reliability?
Ma'am, please explain reliability.
Reliability?
Yes, ma'am.
As I told you, reliability is like adjusting to the environment. Na? I told you, like how we adapt ourselves to the environment. That is called reliability. How we can rely upon ourselves, upon our mistakes, about our confidence. That is called reliability. People we are surrounded with, we have to work with them as a team. We have to rely upon the facts that they are also good and we are also good. That is called reliability. That makes a good personality. Okay? Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else? Guys, please come and speak so that I can move with other topics. How could I know that you have understood?
Ma'am, last one.
Ma'am, on the
Huh? Yes, sir.
Last one, trustworthiness. Last one.
Trustworthiness, how you trust people. That's simple. How you trust people, how you trust people, and how they trust you. You have to make a trust.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you an example of trustworthiness. Example, this is a stick. Okay, this is a stick. Shadab told me to hide this stick from my friend because he trusts me. Okay, and as soon as his friend come, I show the stick to him. He asked me not to show it, but still I show. So there the trust got break. But if I would hide the stick as soon as the friend will come, that's called a good trustworthiness. But if I show the stick to the friend, it's bad trustworthiness. So how much you trust each other, that is called trustworthiness. Okay? Got the point? Guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till now you have faced any problems in any topics? Tell me. I'll repeat it again. No issues. Right. Cheating the hope of any person. Right, sir. Right. Very right. Pravash Sharma, sir. Good. Okay. Ma'am, please next slide. Good personality needs. Siddhi ma'am, next slide, please. She's here in the meeting or not? Acha, okay. Ma'am, good personality needs. Good personality needs. Fourth. Yeah. This one now. Okay. So now we have read the factors of good personality. Now we comes in the topic like what good personality needs. What it really needs. It needs a healthy body and a healthy mind. Just wait a sec. Okay, so what a good person needs? A healthy body and a healthy mind. See, when you will eat good food now, your mind automatically, your body will automatically get good nutrition. As soon as your body will receive good nutrition, your body functions will work in a right way. As soon as they work in the right way, the mind will get good thoughts, optimistic ideas, and positive attitude. That's why it is said not to eat much junk food, because they break our functions of the body, or they can break all the systems that work in our body, and our mind stop working. It leads to a negative impact. We cry, we feel depressed, our confidence lower down, impression goes down, and everything in lane. Because why they go down? Because we feel lazy, inactive, energy sometimes feel like, oh, I'm not feeling well today. For example, if you're working in an organization and if you take so many leaves because you are always in a bad health, the people will kick out of the company. They will say you cannot work. So if you want to make yourself a regular and active person, so always eat good food, go for a walk, meditate minimum 15 to 20 minutes for a positive attitude. So that's my suggestion for you. If you really want a good body and a good mind and a healthy mind, always not do every time I work out, but just 15-20 minutes workout for the peaceful mind to function. That is what our good personality needs. It depends all upon your food, about your habits, about your learning stages. Okay? So that, guys, this is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
So what our body needs is good food and healthy environment. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And if, for example, I'm not saying to avoid junk food. No, you can have junk food, but Some in a week, like after 2 weeks you can have one junk food. 3 weeks you can have one junk food, but not every time, because it will make you inactive, lazy, and will lead a bad impression on people. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Then we have the next slide. Ma'am, healthy body slide. 5th slide, ma'am. 5th slide. Okay. So healthy body, as I told you, these 2 points, good personality, what it needs, a healthy body and a healthy mind. So what comes in the healthy body? Nutrition. As I told you, nutrition, a point. Nutrition, a good nutrition. Having all the 5 things in your diet: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Okay. Then personal hygiene. Personal hygiene includes the hygiene of the place you are living right now. Like girls should always, take proper care of your hygiene. You should always take proper care of yourself. Be more secure during those times when you face that 7 period of cycles you always go. There's nothing to shy about. It is very, very a thing which have to be discussed in the class. When a girl, leads to those 7 days of the challenges of the life, they have to take proper care of the hygiene, because it can lead to various problems. Okay, so always take care of those things. Boys always should take care of their own things. Should always maintain a good hygiene. As soon as you come out of the washroom, wash your hands. Okay, as soon as you eat your food, before, wash your hands. After, wash your hands. Sanitize your hands. Wear your mask. So these come under hygiene. Because if you will not follow these hygienes, you will lead to fever, different disorders, and your body will feel inactive most of the times. Okay. Next we have exercises. Do yoga, pranayam, do gym, aerobics, walking, and jogging. So start these things. Take these things in your day-to-day life. You feel, guys, trust me, you will feel really happy when you do these things. Like jog for 15 minutes, walking for 20 minutes, gym for 30 minutes, yoga for 10 to 20 minutes. You will feel happy. Okay, so this is healthy body. You have to care about yourself, about your body. When you will care about your body will care about you. Okay, have you understood this point? Healthy body?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, healthy mind. Sonoma ma'am, read the points. Healthy mind. Sonoma ma'am, read the points.
Yes, ma'am. So in healthy minds, first point is try to be stress-free. Second point is be calm and cool. Third one is do meditation. Fourth one is positive attitude. Fifth one is don't worry about small things. And sixth, but not the least, it's be focused and clear.
You got all the points, guys? Or I have to
Yes.
explain the points. Very easy points. See, if you really, when these points now, that will lead into confidence. You might have seen whenever you are going to a stage and you climb the stairs, you feel like this, and your face is like this, and you are like this. But before moving to a stage or any public speaking situation, do one thing. Relax, and say inside us, all is well, 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 all is well. As soon as you go with this therapy now, see the change inside you. 110% see the change inside you. Before, like today also, if you have to speak in front of me, do one thing. Just behind the camera, and then all is well, all is well, all is well. That stress, that calmness, that shyness, all will get removed. And you will speak like a Shatabdi Express, not stopping, just speaking, speaking, and speaking. One day, you will feel fear. Second day, you will feel afraid. Third day, you will feel afraid. But fourth day, challenging you, you will speak what you want to. No one will poke you. No one will judge you who you are. No one will poke the mistakes what you are carrying in yourself. Your mind will free, unstressful from here. The stress will get removed. Remove it now. Why tomorrow? Who has seen tomorrow? I will die tomorrow. You will die tomorrow. Who will remember us? No one. No one will remember us. Why to afraid of those people who will not remember us even after our death? Why? They will not remember us. Trust me. Our family will remember, and for them we have to work. They will remember us even after death. They will be there on our when we will die. No one else. So why to get afraid of those people if they smile also on us? Why to afraid? Well, they are not my blood relations. They are not my very close relatives. They are no one. So if they're judging us, that's their problem, their business, not my business to answer them. If they speak, I close my ears and close my eye and say, let them speak. They have their mouths. They will open. But if I will also speak, then I will become the one of them that I don't want to. That I don't want to. I want to be me. And I want to inspire others, not to regret others. So if you really want to inspire one of your person also, now you have to change yourself from inside. Change yourself from inside. What you are today, you should not be same like tomorrow. So let this mind do not take much stress. Follow the therapy of happiness. Watch Mr. Bean once a day. You will feel so happy and relaxed. Watch funny movies instead of watching those therapeutical news on the TV where people are dying. We feel so negative sometimes watching that. So stop watching those things. Open Mr. Bean for a while. You will feel so relaxed. Your body will feel so relaxed. You feel like, yeah, I did something in my life. Cook something for you. Instead of cooking for others, cook something for you. Like if someone has a passion of something, do that things now. If Mayank sir have a passion of buying bikes, then do something to buy that. Why should others spend money on you? You should spend money for yourself. Be that much capable. I can start my own startups. I can work on my own startups. Instead of working on the companies and giving so much money, and they didn't pay us also, why to work? But yes, if the company is helping me to increase my skills, I will work. They're free also. But if they're not giving us anything, but they're just making us feel guilty on our skills, leave that company on the spot. Don't need it. We don't need it. We can open our own startup. We can work accordingly. In my startup, when I will do my startup now, I will not judge people on the basis of the skill. I will judge them on the basis of their work. And I'm very sure about it. When I start my startup, I'll focus on hiring on those people who are passionate about their work, not just who are just coming to take the piece of paper certificate on from my company, from my STEM. My dreams are small, but I have to make them big now. There's a person who was, I don't know his name, but he just 3 or like 1 year back, he had done a startup of Chaiwala, MBA Chaiwala. He was the person who just given 2 times CAT examination. He just failed. 2 times he failed. Then, as soon as his family regret him for decision of choosing business, he started his own business naming MBA Chaiwala. And now his startup is earning 1.2 crores per year. Now that is called skills. That is called my inspirational story. Why would I listen to stories of other people? Why would not I make one of my story of inspirational story, which people will hear, our coming generations will hear from me. I did this in my life. What are the achievements you have achieved till now? Leave them behind. That's all I have done. But now what you will achieve after these classes, that will be your real achievement. Because the money you have paid by your own self, not from your mother's and papa's pocket. 50 rupees बोलने के छोटा है, मगर पता है ना, हम जब निकालते हैं अपने पर्स से कितना बड़ा लगता है. 50 रुपए बहुत बड़ा लगता है. तो अगर मैंने यहाँ पैसे दिए हैं और मैं कुछ सीख के नहीं जाऊंगी, तो मेरा कुछ हो पाएगा लाइफ में? कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. So healthy mind always leads to healthy and positive attitude. Negative mind always leads to feeling like cutting your hands, crying, eating a lot of junk food, just sleeping on the bed and watching Netflix. That is not life. That is not life. Instead, waking up early, jogging and running, doing meditation and yoga, eating healthy food, that is called healthy life, and that will lead you to activeness. Okay, so next we move to the next slide. That is, ma'am. Okay, this is the last slide, ma'am. Okay, what to do? Okay, मैम just one slide above मैम, one slide like A slide कौन सी मैम दिखाना था? A slide क्या है मैम? इसे शायद एक slide मिस कर दी है मेरी. कोई नहीं. A slide मैम, A slide सिद्धि मैम, A slide खोलिए प्लीज. ऊपर लाइए मैम, ऊपर जाइए. सिद्धि मैम ऊपर जाइए. थोड़ा सा, हाँ ऊपर. हाँ. Then ये वाला पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट is all about ये वाला हाँ. ये वाला खोलिए. 8 yeah ma'am. ये वाला खोलिए. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, personality development is all about the points which we are here to cover. It's just an overview. We'll start with tomorrow. It's just an overview. Public speaking, body language, behavior, anger management, जो बहुत लोग का भी है सामने मुझे दिख रहा है, वो improve करना है. Physical fitness, food habit, friends, making skills and learning skills. So these are the points which we'll cover in the coming classes and many more. Many more in my portal. I have added so many things. But tomorrow we will have a game session. Tomorrow we not have a class. We have a game session tomorrow. So be prepared for the games. We'll play games. Today it's theory class and tomorrow we have. So write these points on the piece of paper. Because I'll ask tomorrow in the games only, these questions.
Ma'am, what is the anger management?
Anger management is जब बहुत गुस्सा आता है और हम बहुत भड़क देते हैं उससे.
Okay. Yeah.
I feel like this is anger. A good personality will not show the anger. It will hide the anger. In case the person is having anger issues, he will hide that anger. That will make good personality. Like for example, someone has slapped me in the public area. Oh God, he slapped me, then I again slap that person. That is called anger. But if that is how you have control your anger management.
But ma'am, self-respect. सामने वाला अगर पीट दिया तो.
अरे भैया, क्या सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट तक बताइए, हमारी क्या रिस्पेक्ट बनी है सोसाइटी में, बताइए. हम कुछ अचीव कर लिया. नरेंद्र मोदी को तो यही हाल था ना. What he have done, what he is doing right now with the people. Have you ever imagined what he had done with the people? If I am feeling angry for him, if I would have been, so will I go and slap him on his face? What you've done with the people? No. I will show this anger I will keep this anger with me only, not outside the people, and just exaggerating his problems.
But ma'am, people thinks we are kamjor, like.
कमजोर को बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में वीक. बोलो कमजोर मत करो.
Yeah, weak.
बोलो people think that we are weak. Speak in English.
People think we are weak.
Let them. What I said na. If we have a healthy mind, let them speak what they speak. They are like वो हमारे नेबर्स हैं, हमारे पड़ोसी हैं, हमारे चहीते प्यार वाले हैं, प्रेमिका हमने उनसे निभाया है. बताइए सर, या वो आपके भाई बहन हैं जिनको उनको अगर आप नहीं बोलोगे तो फर्क पड़ेगा, आपको बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा. अगर ऐसा है सर तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Until unless you don't keep your self-respect apart, you cannot judge a good personality. Sorry sir. मेरे में भी ईगो बहुत है भाई, पर बंदी ना अपना साइड रखती है हमेशा, क्योंकि उसको पता है कहाँ पे क्या बोलना है. That is called good control over your mind and body. I am holding a good ego. I am holding a good attitude. But still, I will never show them to the public because I have to make a good personality, and that's me. Self-respect, ego will always kill you, beta. It will always kill you down like this. Always kill you. ये जो पंख फैल रहे हैं ना, सब कट के नीचे आ जाएगा. But a good attitude and good response always help you to fly above and above and above till the time you achieve your target. Okay, so stop thinking this thing, self-respect. Ma'am, what about when everyone thinks that you are not, you are capable, but the family doesn't think? Oh God, let me. Diksha ma'am, what about when everyone thinks that you are capable, but the family doesn't think likewise? How to manage anger in such case? Okay. First of all, beta, family is God. You know, after God, we have to treat our family with love and care, because there is no one whom we can trust apart from family. Nor your boyfriend, sorry to say that, I'm saying these things. Nor your boyfriend, nor your girlfriend, nor your partner, nor the people who are standing in front of you. You cannot rely on them, but you can rely on your family. If they say something that is for your betterment, na? Think of that also. आज नहीं तो कल वो चीज सच होगी जो उन्होंने बोला, और वो होगी। मेरी माँ ने मुझे बोला तू नहीं बन पाएगी, मैं नहीं बन पाई ना, बट on the spot she supported me, and today what I am is because of her. So trust your family ना, trust your family, whatever they are saying, उन anger दिखाओ लोगों के सामने, family सामने मत दिखाओ, because people will go and leave you, they will never leave you, your family will never leave you in any hard situations. Trust me. You, if Mayank sir want to buy a bike, his family will support him, not his friends, right sir? His family,
Yes, ma'am, of
yeah,
course.
his family will ponder all the money just to make him happy, not the friends. They will say पैसा नहीं है यार, तू जा ना भाई, पैसा नहीं है हमारे पास, हम कंकाल है भाई, तेरी तरह ही है कंकाल, हम कहाँ से लाए तेरे बाइक के लिए पैसे. These will be the words, and family will like, बेटा ले. From where they have arranged the money?
कहीं से ना कहीं से लाके देंगे जरूर, but not the friends.
फ्रेंड्स,
will
अरे
be
फ्रेंड्स तो ऐसे एक्सक्यूज बनाएंगे, कोविड हो गया चाहे हुआ ना हो कोविड, मगर कोविड का बहाना देंगे, बेटा हमारे घर में तो कोविड है हम नहीं दे पाएंगे, माफ करना भैया, पैसा चला गया है कोविड में, चाहे उनको हुआ नहीं होगा, बट एक्सक्यूज उनके ऐसे होंगे, लेम में एक्सक्यूजेस, बहुत ही बेकार वाहियात एक्सक्यूजेस. भाई तुझे तो पता है था ना, कल मेरी बंदी का फोन आया था, उसको ये आईफोन चाहिए था, मैंने पैसा वहीं दौड़ा दिया था, भाई माफ करियो भाई, वो ना मम्मी बीमार थी भाई, उसकी मम्मी के दवाइयों के लिए पैसे थे ना भाई, वो देती. These will be the excuses, but your mother and father will be like, Mayank, ले बेटा. They only know how they have
they
arranged.
keep their sentiments and then
Yes, ma'am.
also try to bring something like lending always loan from other. It will
Many I
like
saw,
it will
Peter, many I saw. People, they just, there's a story of a father and a daughter. Daughter argue, like family is not that much settled and not that much rich. Are you listening, Diksha ma'am? This is the answer to your question.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So the family is not that much rich. Father is like he's a peon in a family, in a college, sorry. My daughter said, Papa, you're very bad. You didn't buy me an iPhone. My friend's father, they brought new iPhones, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro. I don't have an iPhone. I want an iPhone at any cost, or else I'll not talk to you, or else I will eat poison and I'll die. The father was so lonely. He was so sad. Why my daughter will die for an iPhone? My wife given birth to that my daughter, and my daughter will die because of the iPhone. No, I cannot do anything for that. The father next day, the mother next day she come to the room, put the iPhone in behind behind the pillow. Yeah, behind the pillow. As soon as the girl wake up, she saw that iPhone and she's so happy. He said, where's my papa? Where's my papa? Mom said he died. He died. Like, died? How? When? What? Because he just, these kidneys, he just, sell these kidneys to people who do black marketing of these things. And he bought the iPhone from there. The girl was like, oh gosh. iPhone is not that much expensive than my father. He sell those kidneys and just bought that iPhone. And rest money he given to the wife for the future betterment of the girl. This is called family, guys. This is called family. Who do anything just the sake of your happiness. Just the sake of your happiness. So showing anger is not a solution to your family. Because they can do anything just for the sake of your happiness. Daughter was...
Ma'am, we also have the dialogue in the Kota factory, like माँ बाप के डिसीजन गलत हो सकते हैं लेकिन उनकी नीयत कभी गलत नहीं हो सकती.
देख लीजिए, मुझे कुछ समझाने की जरूरत नहीं, आप लोग खुद ये चीज जानते हैं. वो बच्ची बोलती है, the girl has said, father is more expensive than an iPhone. Why I have what to say, why I have instigated him to buy this iPhone. Oh God, I was so mad. And she was putting his head on the wall and she was, oh no. So this will only happen if you will not respect them today. You will not get them tomorrow, guys. Trust me. You will not get them because God always watch from. That's called karma. आज बुरा बोलोगे कल बुरा मिलेगा. So जो डिजिटल शराफ सर बोल रहे हैं ना कि मैम सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, बेटा कर्मा आता है बहुत अच्छे से, जब आता है ना तो फिर करके चला जाता है, पता भी नहीं चलता.
मैम इस समय गांधीगिरी दिखाने की जरूरत है क्या? अगर सामने से कोई अगर कुछ बोल दे रहा तो
गांधीगिरी मैंने आपको गांधीगिरी कहाँ दिखाई सर? मैं आपको एक पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, आप गांधीगिरी वाली बात कैसे आई सर? मुझे बताइए आप जरा।
मतलब आपने बोला कि
ये आपका सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, यहाँ पे आपका सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं आया कि आपने मुझे ये यू आर यूजिंग अ वर्ड इन दिस ग्रुप, लाइक दीस वर्ड्स आर यूजिंग फॉर मी।
मैम आपके लिए नहीं, मतलब मैं बता रहा हूँ।
No, I'm just explaining the point. Sir, I can make you clear. Your attitude na gone in the wrong way. This is called self-respect, sir. This is called self-respect. Sorry for that.
Sakshi ma'am. Ma'am, basically he didn't said this to you. He said that if anyone is like behaving bad, then is it necessary to show the Gandhigiri at that point? If anyone else have like treated us bad, he meant to do that.
Listen the words again, ma'am. Just listen the words. I have heard those words.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, can I
No
speak?
problem, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think there's some limit, okay? Like, it's okay not to show self-respect, but I think everything has a limit. Beyond that limit, I think we should show some I think we should have that self-respect. Ma'am, I can give you example also. Like my mom is like she's been working in same office for 25 years, and now they're treating her like, they were like, okay, what did you do to our company? So here, I think showing self-respect is must.
Ma'am,
Because
showing self-respect is a must. Not my situation is to took on a positive way. I didn't talk about negative thoughts, ma'am. That's what I told to Shadab sir. Your self-respect is important, but not in everywhere, na, ma'am. It will only lead to bad impression. That's what my point is. Everyone is
but
holding. That's
everything
what I
has a
said,
limit, right?
yeah, everything is a limit. That's what I said. Everything is a limit, and we
Yeah.
cannot go beyond the limits, ma'am. That's what I said.
But if someone slaps, I think self-respect should be there. Like we can't,
Self-respect should be 50% of a good personality, ma'am. 50%. That's what my point is. 50 self-respect and 50 non-self-respect.
Yeah, ma'am, can I say something else?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
I think not only family but friends also help us. Like friends are the family which we choose. Like our family is not chosen by us, and friends are the family which we choose. So like in my case, I think like when my parents like we faced a lot of financial situations. Like so my friends were there to help me. They were like pillars to us. So I think friends are also important. They play a major role in our life after our family. So yeah.
Social responsibilities. What the point I explained in the first slide was all about it, ma'am. Was all about it. In the family chapter, I told, because one of the you read one of the messages when a girl was asking, ma'am, if a parent would say something, how would I go through that anger issues? Then there was explained about the family importance. I didn't add friends there, ma'am. You can ask Mayank sir also about it.
No, I'm not telling about that situation. Like you told, between that friends, they won't do anything. They'll, say some kind of stupid reasons.
Padmaja ma'am, ma'am, here is a line like, not all the people around us are same. Okay, so it's just that not everyone gets the friend that you have. Okay, if you're having such sort of friend that can help you at your financial problems also, you are very, very, very lucky, and you should like retain those friends for life. But not
And Shraddha
everyone is
ma'am,
that much lucky.
Shraddha ma'am, the question which Diksha ma'am was having, the answer was like correct, na ma'am, or somewhere I am lacking, ma'am.
No, ma'am. The answer was very correct. Okay, ma'am. The answer was very correct. No issues. Okay. So
Yeah, I think Diksha ma'am has got the answer, ma'am. Shraddha ma'am, Diksha ma'am has got the answer, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Is anyone having any other queries, or we shall wind up this class today? It's going over the time.
And Shadab sir, Shraddha ma'am, just wait, huh? Shadab sir.
Yes,
Open your
I'm
mic and
listening.
speak again. What your question was, sir? Please speak it again.
I forget.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. Okay.
What the question was?
Question was if क्वेश्चन ये था कि अगर सामने वाला क्वेश्चन ये था कि अगर सामने वाला आपने बोला कि अगर पब्लिक में आपको किसी ने आपको झापड़ मार दिया तो आपको रिपीट नहीं करना है, आपको चले आना है कंट्रोल करके। तो
नहीं
मतलब
नहीं नहीं,
ऐसे
ये तो
कैसे?
आपको उससे पहले आपने गांधीगिरी वाली बात बोली, मुझे तो वो फिर से बोलेंगे सर से, मुझे आपको उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है। गांधीगिरी वाला पॉइंट मुझे मैं सही सुना नहीं। श्रद्धा मैम, पॉइंट क्या था गांधीगिरी वाला? क्या पॉइंट है श्रद्धा मैम? एक्सक्यूज मी
Ma'am, he said that this thing only, that like whatever he said right now, he said that much only, that if someone will slap you in the public, then is it necessary to show Gandhigiri at that time? It was the only
अच्छा
question.
अच्छा,
And no
ओके
issues.
शदाब सर, ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल let me clarify this point. See, self respect and patience both in your hands. ठीक है, पेशेंस आपके हाथ में है, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट आपके हाथ में है, ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव टू चूज व्हाट यू वांट. इट्स योर लाइफ. आई एम द नो वन टू जज यू, बट बीइंग योर मेंटर, I'll always, lead you in the right path, and my decision will be always follow patience. If the situation is not that much worst, ठीक है, अगर सिचुएशन इतनी खराब नहीं हुई है तो पेशेंस रखो, वो लड़ाई नहीं करवाता. सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट रखोगे, वो लड़ाई करवाएगा और बहुत चीजें खो जाती हैं अपनी लाइफ से. ओके शदाब सर?
मैम दैट कॉल ईगो ना, नॉट
ईगो?
सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. या वो ईगो होता है ना.
ईगो आप, अच्छा ईगो, अच्छा आप मुझे बताइए, एक गुड पर्सनालिटी को ईगो रखना चाहिए? मुझे बताइए आप.
नहीं रखना
80% नहीं रखना चाहिए, राइट? आप खुद बोल रहे हैं ईगो नहीं रखना चाहिए. हाँ बट
सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट तो होनी चाहिए ना.
सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट होनी चाहिए. बाबा बताइए, मुझे टीचर ने मारा तो क्या मैं उसको फिर से थप्पड़ मार दूंगी? नहीं मारूंगी, है ना, क्योंकि वो मेरा पेशेंस है, वो मेरा मैनर्स है.
मैम डिपेंड ऑन सिचुएशन ना मैम.
That's what my point is. Depend upon the situation. Patience, self-respect, depend upon the situation, what you will choose. There, I will not come to take your decision, sir. You have to take by yourself. Okay? I know you got your answer, sir. What I want to speak.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone else have any queries, guys? Yeah.
Ma'am, we have to wind up this session because we have our meeting at 7:15.
Okay. So guys,
ma'am, one last question. Only one last.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, as you told, it is based on situations. So, अगर teacher मारेगी तो it's okay. Like we have to accept it. But if someone, anonymous person slaps in public, so I think there we should have self-respect, right?
Yeah, we should have self-respect, ma'am. But we should. Shraddha ma'am, please answer this question, ma'am. If you have the right answer, I think my thoughts are not going with the situation.
Okay, so ma'am, every action has an opposite reaction, but it is not necessary that every time we give the reaction in the same way that the person has given. Okay, but if the situation is like that the person is wrong and you think you are right, first try to have your patience. But if the situation is not according to your requirement, according to your patience, just be the way you want to be.
If we did something wrong, it's okay that if he slaps, but like despite of that, I think we should not, hide our self-respect.
Exactly. This is what I'm saying. There's a limit for everything. There's a limit for everything. Like the food we eat, that is very beneficial for us. But if we eat more than that limit, that is also very harmful for us.
Say something
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
on this topic.
Yeah.
मैम एक्चुअली मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ?
देखिए आप इंग्लिश कब सीखेंगे बताइए. आप अगर हिंदी में बोलेंगे सर, आज इंग्लिश में बोल दीजिए ना सर प्लीज.
Okay, ma'am, I will try. Actually, ma'am, in today's time, people self-respect is not. They don't maintain self-respect at all time. Like ma'am say, an anonymous person slapped to anyone. So ma'am, if मतलब अगर सामने वाला कमजोर है तो वहाँ हमारी सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट आ जाएगी. लेकिन अगर सामने वाला हाथ में गन लेके रखा है, हम वहाँ सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट कहाँ चली जाएगी हमारी? वहां भी तो सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट दिखाओ फिर, या फिर तुम्हें मरने से डर लगता है? अगर सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट दिखानी है तो दोनों केस में दिखाओ ना. तो मैम वही पॉइंट कहना चाहूंगा कि लोग कहते हैं ना कि हमें उसे दोबारा ऐसे थप्पड़ मार देना चाहिए. तो अगर थप्पड़ मारने की हिम्मत है तो दोनों केस में मारो या फिर दोनों में मारो.
Very good.
So that is why this program has been held, right? So for building that, like slapping in both the cases, this platform is only for that, right? So building our personality, developing, like we have to be reactive or proactive in both the cases.
You have to learn to accept yourself, your failures. If someone is slapping me, situation should be different, ma'am. Situation should be different. If my mother is slapping me, I cannot slap him back. But
Yes.
if someone stranger is slapping me, I have the right to slap him back.
Yes, even though he's prime minister's son, even though he's prime minister itself. So yeah.
Yeah, that's what my
So
point is. And
yeah.
that's what my point. And I'm
Nobody
here.
have the right to slap you without any reason.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think this is the platform where we have to learn that.
Learn
Of
these
course,
things.
ma'am.
Yeah,
That's why
to
we
get
are
guts, to do those things.
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
I think
Ma'am,
now
but
got
why
the idea.
someone slap us?
Yeah, Gaurish sir, बताइए.
Ma'am, but why someone slap us? Because of our stupidity.
There might be some
After
reason.
a lot of discussion
घर
about
पे पुराना गुस्सा होगा, उनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
सही बात है. तो बात ही यही है कि कोई हम मार कैसे, मतलब मारा किसने हमें, क्यों? गलती हमारी नहीं होगी.
Okay. Ma'am, we have to wind up because we are already going over the time. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am,
So
so
people, for tomorrow, you all are having a very small task, like a very, very, very small task.
And tomorrow we have the game session, ma'am. Game session.
Yes, ma'am. Still, we'll be having a small task. Okay. So, like before the games, we can have that task. That is a very small task. You all have to bring one word with its meaning. Okay. One
No, ma'am.
unique
One नहीं,
word.
ma'am. One. Shweta, ma'am. कम से कम minimum 5 दो, ma'am. 5 दो.
Okay. Like because 5 words will take a lot of time, and tomorrow is the game session. So I have thought of one. Next time we'll be giving 5. Okay. So you all have to bring one English word along with its meaning, and we'll be discussing over it in the class tomorrow. Okay.
Guys, search from dictionary.
Okay,
New
ma'am.
words will get from dictionary. Okay.
It's your assignment that you have to bring a
Bring
word.
one new word.
Exactly.
And
One
you
new
can
word
take your
you all
word
have
of
to.
centipede and ego and all those words. You can take those.
And along with word that there should be a sentence too.
Like this is a box. Like what is another meaning of box, and then sentence of that meaning word.
And you have
Okay.
to make sentence also for that. And that word, everyone will be writing that word every day. Okay, all the
Okay,
words that we all are.
Shweta ma'am,
Yes,
just a
ma'am.
minute. Diksha ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you have your problem got solved or some solution or I have to give?
No, ma'am. Actually, I was not satisfied with the answer. Actually, the question went into some other direction. But actually, we are running out of time, so we'll discuss it some other time.
Okay, but somewhere you got some answer na, that parents, we have to love them, we have to care to them. The story I told you and all those stuff. Still, you are not satisfied, ma'am. Like 50% you are satisfied with the answer.
No, ma'am. Ma'am. Actually, the question went into some other direction. I was asking something else.
Okay, you are asking like how to manage anger issues during that time when your parents.
No. Actually,
Ma'am.
my thing. Actually, you need to wind up, ma'am. Actually, so we'll take it some other time.
Okay. Diksha ma'am, do one thing. We'll for this question, Shweta ma'am will contact you personally and she will answer you. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Okay. No problem.
Yeah, ma'am. Shweta ma'am, you can go with.
Yes, ma'am. Nicole, ma'am, you can choose any word that you want. Like it is not necessary that the word should not be that you use like daily on a casual basis. That even if you're using a casual word, that must be a different word, a unique word that we haven't heard yet. Okay, so a word, its meaning, and a sentence with that word. Okay, so you all will be bringing that, and everyone else will be writing all the words. You all have to write all the words daily that will be brought by all of you in the class. Okay, that will create a sort of like words bank for you. Okay, so that will create a words bank for you. So that will be helping you for future. Okay, so for now we are
Guys,
winding up
so
this
how was
session.
your today's session? Have you understood all the slides?
Siddhi ma'am, you can stop the recording now.
Ma'am, it's very awesome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes,
So
it was
I
good,
wish
ma'am. Thank you.
I have not hurt anyone from my words. I request you sorry for that. Like what my point of view is just to make you deal with the right things at the right time. That's what my point is. Nothing to come in a debate. So I
No
hope
problem,
all the
ma'am.
points.
Everybody has their own point of views, and everybody
Yeah.
thinks differently. So
Yeah.
it's okay. Let everybody think the way they want because it's
Yeah,
like
right.
their
That's really
uniqueness.
yeah. That's
Basically it's their uniqueness. So let them be with their uniqueness, and that's okay. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Text
Okay, ma'am.
today's task. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We will be texting you today's task in both the groups. We'll be texting you by today or by tomorrow morning.
Okay, guys,
Okay.
anyone have any problems? Please come up. We will solve definitely. Please tell me if anyone has any problems.
Ma'am, there is a meeting.
Okay, at time?
Ma'am, that was on 7:15, but we didn't got the link till now, but we have to join over there.
Okay. So guys, we will meet tomorrow in another with some games and fun activities. Tomorrow will be a very good day for you, an enjoyment and enthusiastic day for you. Not theoretical part. We'll deal with games part. Okay. So everyone will join tomorrow.
Okay, so all the best, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.